What's up? Today y'all gonna be cooking it up with Chef Breezie. Today I'm gonna make y'all some stuffed chicken breast. We're gonna stuff it with a little bit of onion, some spinach, and some chopped mushroom. Cook it up that way with a little bit of call it a supreme sauce. Y'all see what it's gonna do. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take y'all with me. First we gonna start on the filling for the chicken. I'm drinking on some Yingling, don't mind me. Got my burner going, got some pure canola oil. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this one off. Let it do what it do. Let that get hot. I'm gonna take your diced onions, put them on in there. Hear that? You hear that? That's how you know it's time to get it going. Let's do it. Let those caramelize. Let them get translucent. Do what they do. Then we're gonna add the mushrooms in. So we got the onions going. They're not where we need them to be, but we're gonna go ahead and add the. Ooh, I'm making a mess. The mushrooms in. Let them get tender. Get that up. Messy chef means messy mind. Stir. I got me a salt and pepper mixture right here. I'm gonna add me some salt and pepper. You gotta season everything. Ooh, let this cook down, then I'm gonna go ahead and add the spinach. And remember, this is just the filling. I'm gonna show y'all every step to try to keep it a little organized, but this is the filling. So now, last but not least to the filling, we're gonna add some spinach. I didn't feel like cutting, washing, or nothing. These are 3 triple wash, rinse, and ready. So go ahead. I'm not gonna take the stems off or nothing, even though that's more. You know, that's the way to do it. You want to cut these mother lovers out. Like these, they don't need to be, especially for presentation, but they are edible. So let me just leave them alone. And as you know, spinach cooks down. It's basically like 80 to 90% water. So it's going to cook down pretty fast to nothing. So I'm going to put enough in here, let it cook down. Yeah, this pot's kind of small. Don't judge me. Please don't judge me, and I won't judge you, baby. So I'm going to just put it in here, let it do what it do. Then I'm going to season it with some salt and pepper like I always do. So you guys, you see the spinach cook down. I told y'all it cooked down fast, and it cooks down to nothing. I'm going to put some more salt in here, because you can never go wrong with salt and pepper. This is my salt and pepper mixture. I just want to show y'all. Salt and pepper mixture. Okay, and right over here, I got this pan. It's really hot. I don't know why I had it running, like, it's still running. So if y'all hear a sizzle, oh, it's all good. I'm about to make pretty much a veloute, which is the sauce. It's going to be the sauce for the filling. So I'll put in like 2 ounces of canola oil, and then I'm putting in like 2 ounces of flour. You know, just whisk it in. If it looks like it's too much fat content, just put some more flour in there. And this is the same skillet that I use to cook my onions and stuff in, so you know it's going to be full of flavor. I'm going to get some more flour, put it in there. You want to basically make a roux. I got vegetable broth, baby. You know, you want to be more aware of what you're putting into your body. So we don't know that we in this house, we eat vegetable fed and humanely raised, humanely killed meat products. So we don't know that the chicken stock we are getting is humanely, you know what I'm saying, living a good life, or vegetable, grain fed, no antibiotics. So we get vegetable. You're not gonna get us, buddies. And put a little salt and pepper in here. You want to season everything you touch. Let the roux go for about 3 minutes. Then I'm going to add the veggie stock. Yes, sir. Now we're going to go ahead and add the vegetable stock. Running slow. Stay with. And you always just want to season the taste. So when the flour eventually cooks out, taste this. Dip your finger in here. Taste the sauce. Make sure it's on point. Do what you want to. You know what I'm saying? You can add a little paprika, add a little cayenne. Do what you want. Make it taste like you want it. Yeah. But you really want to get all the lumps out, and that's what I'm doing. So you want the consistency to be smooth. You want no lumps. You don't want it to be clunky and chunky. But then again, you want enough liquid, you know what I'm saying, to make your sauce, babies. So we're going to let the flour cook out of this for about, I'll say about 10, 15, maybe to 20 minutes max. And then when that's all said and done, we're going to combine the spinach and mushroom mixture with the veloute. And that's going to be our sauce for the filling of the chicken. And that's how we going to rock. And that's how we going to do it. So I'll be back with y'all when we get to it. You feel me? You know? Oh, yeah. So I'm going to just pour a little heavy whipping cream in there. Just make it a little creamier. Give it a good whisk, stir. Whatever you got to do. Don't make a mess like me. So now what we're going to do is basically pour this in the spinach mixture because this is the filling. So I'm going to go ahead and pour. You really don't want it as lumpy as mine is, but things happen. Here's a little stir. And you always want to taste this, so I'm going to give it a little taste, make sure it's on point, make sure I don't need no more salt before we put it inside of this chicken, you know what I'm saying? Bruh, I mean, look, I'm not even just saying it because I'm making it. It's delicious. It's a little bit more salt, not even that much, like, you know what I'm saying? Oh my god. So now we going to get to stuffing. So first you wanna have chicken breast, boneless chicken breast, boneless, skinless, if you want them skinless. But yeah, that's what I got here today. And you wanna kind of slice down the middle so you can open it up. So you want to season them. Notice I touched the chicken with this hand. I did not with this hand. This was my knife hand. Clean hand. So I'm gonna season them. I'm gonna season them good with the salt and pepper mix. Give it some paprika, some ground red pepper. You know what I'm saying? Okay. I'm gonna do the same thing to this side. Chicken hand. Alright. I'm gonna just turn them back over on the other side because this was side I'm gonna put the filling in. Now I'm gonna take this filling and put it in there. That much over here. I'm just roll these mugs. Yep, I put too much in there, but we're gonna make it do what it do. But I'm gonna put them right in the skillet, face down, to where it's just gonna seal from the. this one to be the most successful one. Rinse my hands. So I have this cast iron skillet heating up. It's probably pretty hot right now. I'm gonna put some oil in it. Enough oil for the chicks. Gotta let that oil get hot. Let it do what it do. Alright, so the grease is going. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these mother lovers up in here. Try to seal this filling up in here since I put so much in here. But you know what I'm saying? Who don't want mouth filling? So you want to put it down. Try to fill it up. Woo. Don't burn yourself. Don't get popped either. Well, you know, never overcrowd the skillet, but I'm not overcrowding. I'm putting them all in there. Let's do it, baby. Let's get to it, baby. Yeah. Let them go. So now I'm gonna start turning these mothers. Let's do it. I'm gonna finish them in the oven as well. Let's see. That one's not as golden crispy as I would like it, so I'm trying to debate if I'm gonna turn these. Let me look. Oh yeah. Nope, we're not gonna turn that one. And I think we're gonna turn this one. Nope. We're not gonna turn that one. Alright, so I'm gonna just put them in the oven and then show y'all the end product. Alright. You guys, it's kind of difficult to cut. Some of the filling spilled out. This shit is hot. You need to let it rest longer. That's the problem. Damn, this shit hot. So let it rest so all the juice don't spill out, but some of the fillings spill out. But we hungry, so get a little piece of this, a little piece of spinach. Winner. Get you a winner. You just cooked it up with Breezie. I made it look easy. Well, I hope I did with the stuffed chicken. We stuffed it with spinach and mushrooms with a veloute sauce. Alright, y'all. Till next time. Give me some requests too so I know what y'all want to see. Alright, thanks for watching. I love y'all.